Welcome to Eassiy Official. In today's video, we're diving into the world of data recovery, specifically focusing on SD cards. We'll introduce you to Disk Drill SD card recovery, show you how to use it step by step, and explore some of the best alternatives, including Eassiy Data Recovery. Let's get started. Introduction to Disk Drill SD card recovery. Disk Drill provides a simple and intuitive interface, making it accessible even for beginners. The tool offers both quick scans for recently deleted files and deep scans for more challenging recovery situations. How to use Disk Drill SD card recovery, step by step. Now, let's walk through how to use Disk Drill SD card recovery to recover your lost data. Follow these simple steps. Visit the official Disk Drill website and download the software. Install it on your computer by following the on-screen instructions. Insert your SD card into your computer using a card reader. Ensure that your computer recognizes the SD card. Open Disk Drill on your computer. Select your SD card from the list of available drives from the main interface. Click the Search for Lost Data button to initiate the scanning process. Choose between quick and deep scans depending on your needs. Once the scan is complete, browse through the recoverable files. Use the Preview feature to verify the files you want to recover. Select the files you wish to recover and click on the Recover button. Choose a safe location on your computer to save the recovered files. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can recover your lost data using Disk Drill SD card recovery. The best alternatives to Disk Drill SD card recovery. Eassiy Data Recovery. While Disk Drill is an excellent tool, one of the best alternatives to Disk Drill is Eassiy Data Recovery. Introduction to Eassiy Data Recovery. Eassiy Data Recovery is a robust data recovery tool known for its efficiency and ease of use. It supports recovery from various storage devices, including SD cards, and can handle a wide range of file types. Whether you've lost files due to deletion, formatting, or corruption, Eassiy can help you retrieve them quickly. How to use Eassiy Data Recovery. Visit the Eassiy website and download the software. Install it by following the on-screen instructions. Insert your SD card into your computer via a card reader. Ensure it is recognized by your system. Open the software and select your SD card from the list of devices. Click on the Scan button to start the scanning process. Choose between a quick scan and a deep scan based on your situation. Once the scan is complete, preview the found files. Select the files you want to recover and click Recover to save them to your computer. Eassiy Data Recovery is a great option for those looking for a reliable alternative to Disk Drill. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.